All right, Lokayukta giving a clean chit to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah with the Muda land scam grab charge. BJP is attacking the Karnataka CM. The Bharatiya Janata Party is questioning the Lokayukta investigation now in this scam. Remember, there's ED that's already been investigating the case. Lokayukta as an independent body does it separately as well. The Bharatiya Janata Party, however, is claiming Chief Minister did not have answers, yet he got a clean chit. He was asked 30 questions only, says the BJP. Now, remember that according to our sources, ED revelations weren't really pointed out to the Chief Minister by the Lokayukta. Why did that happen? Now, opposition is alleging that this was all a fixed match, that this clean chit was expected. The Congress, of course, is welcoming the clean chit, saying it's proven the innocence of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Let's first listen in to the reactions also that are coming in. Sagai Raj also joins me. Sagai, I'll first come to you. Tell me on what basis possibly the Lokayukta has given the clean chit to the Chief Minister. I'm sure the Congress welcomes that. Why is the BJP not happy? What is the BJP charge? What are they basing it on that it's not fair?
BJP feels that it is a marriage of convenience between Lokayukta and the government and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, where they have changed the documents, manipulated the documents as per their convenience. And they have also claimed that Lokayukta has compromised when it comes to this investigation. Remember, Lokayukta had asked the complainant, Neha Krishna, to file objections on the allegations and the report which was being made by the probing agency. And subsequently, Neha Krishna had also targeted the investigating agency on the same. And now the opposition claims that there is a foul play. The investigation has not done according to the rule book, and they have compromised when it comes to this particular scam.
Keep tracking all the latest on that. The Congress clearly happy. They believe it's his innocence that's been proven. The BJP says that he wasn't grilled enough to be able to nab him for the allegations against him. All right, so here's what has happened. The Lokayukta investigation report in the Muda scam case involving Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his wife and others are revealing some crucial details with regard to the investigation as well. The report has been exclusively accessed by India Today television as well. Now, what it says is that the Lokayukta posed about 30 questions to the incumbent Chief Minister. Then it also went on to, before closing the probe, asked him questions but not quoting at all from the ED details, ED findings, ED revelations. Remember, Enforcement Directorate also had investigated on this case. That's initially how the case had surfaced. Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy is slamming Lokayukta. Chief Minister, meanwhile, has said he has had no direct involvement in land compensation, the case that's linked to his wife. He has said in 2017, Muda Chief informed him about authorities' decision to grant compensation to Parvati under 50-50 scheme. Why is Kumaraswamy then not happy? Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy also comes in from the state, is a former CM, took a jibe at Lokayukta saying everyone knew what happened in the Muda scam. The documents told the truth, yet the Lokayukta gave him a clean chit. The opposition BJP also jumping in saying that this was expected and biased, that the Lokayukta would not indict him. The Karnataka Congress says justice served. Lokayukta conducted an unbiased probe.
ದೇವರೇ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತದಲ್ವಾ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ ತನಿಖಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಯಾವುದದು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳೇನಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬರೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರೆ ತಾರ್ಕಿಕ ಅಂತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದೋ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋ ಅಮಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಬಲಿಯಾಯ್ತಾರೆ ಲೂಟಿ ಹೊಡೆಯರು ಯಾರು ಬಲಿಯಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳು ನನಗದು ಭಾಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಟ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಾಗಿದೆ
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವಿರೋಧಿಗಳು ಪರವಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ವರದಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಪಕ್ಷಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತದವ್ರು ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತವಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.